In the challenging times of the Great Depression, our ancestors mastered the art of frugal living, extracting invaluable lessons from scarcity. Today, I'll uncover 7 frugal living gems inspired by that era, secrets that can reshape your financial landscape. So start this video by typing "I am frugal" in the comments below. Frugality is a timeless principle that transcends economic eras. Drawing from historical lessons, particularly the Great Depression, we understand the importance of living below our means. In the Roaring '20s, a surge in consumer culture saw people embracing a lifestyle of excess, fueled by easy credit. However, this extravagant living eventually led to a financial crisis. Debt caught up with individuals, highlighting the first crucial lesson. The aftermath of the Great Depression emphasized that sustainable living lies in frugality. Living below your means isn't just a financial strategy, it's a mindset shift. The 1930s showcased the shift from excess to scarcity, proving that extremes are unsustainable. Today, adopting a frugal lifestyle means making intentional choices, prioritizing needs over wants, and ensuring financial resilience. It's about embracing a balanced approach, learning from history's financial pitfalls, and applying those lessons to our contemporary lives. Next up, let's explore minimalism in the context of economic adaptability. The Great Depression forced people into a scarcity mindset, making them scrutinize every penny spent. This period exemplifies that the power of money lies not in its abundance, but in how judiciously it's utilized. Applying this lesson to modern times, minimalism becomes a strategy for navigating economic uncertainty. Minimalism encourages intentional living, focusing on what truly adds value to our lives. By decluttering our finances and possessions, we become more adaptable to changing circumstances. Embracing minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Instead, it's a conscious choice to prioritize essentials and eliminate financial excess. In a world often driven by consumerism, minimalism stands as a resilient approach to building financial stability and adaptability. Now let's dive into the crucial aspect of being careful with where you put your money. The Great Depression highlighted the importance of this lesson when people rushed to withdraw their funds from banks, only to find out they weren't adequately secured. In today's context, the message is clear: trust and careful consideration are paramount in financial decisions. Recent events, such as certain financial institutions facing crisis, underscore the relevance of this lesson. Being careful with your finances isn't just a historical anecdote. It's an ongoing imperative for navigating the complexities of the modern financial landscape. Building on the idea of expecting good times to eventually end, let's explore the concept of economic cycles, as witnessed in the Great Recession. The Roaring '20s were followed by the crash of 1929, and similarly, the early 2000s saw a surge in economic prosperity that eventually led to the 2008 financial crisis. Understanding that economic highs are often followed by lows is crucial for financial planning. The unpredictability of markets necessitates a mindset shift from perpetual growth expectations to a more balanced approach. Just as the Great Depression followed a period of excess, the Great Recession serves as a modern reminder that economic downturns are inherent, emphasizing the need for preparedness and resilience. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Now let's delve deeper into the principle of living below your means, emphasizing its sustainability. The Great Depression showcased a shift from the extravagance of the Roaring '20s to a state of scarcity. This shift illuminated the importance of embracing a frugal lifestyle for long-term financial well-being. Living frugally doesn't imply deprivation, but rather making deliberate choices that align with financial goals. In the modern era, where consumerism often drives spending habits, adopting frugal living is an intentional step towards sustainability. By prioritizing needs over wants and avoiding unnecessary debt, individuals can build financial resilience and withstand economic uncertainties. Frugal living isn't just a temporary response to financial challenges. It's a sustainable approach for navigating the complexities of today's economic landscape. Continuing our exploration, let's focus on the power of money management, drawing parallels with the lessons from the Great Depression. Back then, individuals had to scrutinize every penny, making strategic choices to maximize value. This underscores a critical lesson. The power of money isn't just in its quantity, but in the decisions we make. In the modern context, people often fixate on income generation rather than optimizing spending. Understanding that effective money management involves wise decision-making is essential. Whether it's choosing between eating out or preparing home-cooked meals, the impact of these decisions on financial well-being is profound. By prioritizing smart money choices, individuals can stretch their resources further and build a foundation for financial stability. Finally, let's explore adaptability as a fundamental financial skill, tying together the lessons learned from the Great Depression. The ability to adapt to changing economic circumstances proved to be the linchpin for individuals during that challenging era. This timeless lesson holds true today, emphasizing that financial adaptability is a key skill in navigating uncertain times. Whether facing a personal financial crisis, a job loss, or broader economic downturns, being adaptable allows individuals to weather the storm. The Great Depression showcased that those who could pivot their strategies, embrace change, and seek new opportunities fared better. In the contemporary landscape, the importance of adaptability remains undiminished. By cultivating this skill alongside frugal living practices, individuals can position themselves to thrive in the face of economic uncertainties, echoing the resilience witnessed during the Great Depression. There you have it, 7 frugal living lessons from the Great Depression era. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.